అంటే వీళ్ళు then okay now so okay now so we started date functions in last class. You know, two functions, one is date part, another one date name. Okay, then date part and date name. So then both are used to extract what both functions are used to extract part of the dates. But what the difference? One second, hello. What the difference is? Difference is date part returns what number, date name returns what name. So a difference is there in these two formats. So returns month number, this returns month name. So this returns what day of the week number, day of the week name. Okay, then. So now, like suppose here one was asked a question like this. What is that is? So display Smith joined on Wednesday. Okay, like Alan joined on Friday, like this. This example, I'm taking example. I want output to be like this. I want to print output like this. Okay, then I want output, I want to print output like this. So what is Smith? Employee name, joined on. Next, what? Day of the week. Which day employee joined? Okay, na? So I want to print output like this. So this employee name concatenated with joined on. Joined on should be concatenated with day. Okay, na? So what this is called? Concatenation. Name should be concatenated with joined on. Joined on should be concatenated with day of the week. But in SQL server, if you go to different languages, different operators are used for concatenation. Different languages uses different operators for concatenation. If you go to java.net, they use plus symbol. They use what? Plus for concatenation. Okay, na? But in SQL server also, we use what? Plus symbol. In SQL server also, what is the operator we use? Plus. So what is the concatenation operator? Okay, na? So what is the string? Concatenation operator. What operator we use? Plus. What is concatenation means? Joining. Suppose like A plus B, then A plus B. What you will get? A, B are joined. That is called concatenation. A is one string, B is one string. Something in single quotes means it is string. So A is one string, B is one string. These two strings are joined. So you'll get the output what? AB. Suppose I want a space between AB, then I want a space, then space. A concatenated with what? Space. space should be concatenated with B. Then what you will get? A space B. Okay. Then A concatenated with space, space concatenated with B. So you'll get the output like this, A space B. So this is a symbol for concatenation. Now tell me the query. I want output to be like this. Then I want output to be like this. Select what? Select. Sir, here once again. See, student, you are all confusing like where to write, when to write, like what we have to write it in select, what we have to write it in where class, like that. Sir, once again, I want to like select from EMP next where. Okay, na? Then suppose I want to see the year, or I want to see the day of the week. I want to see the day of the week. In output, what do you want to see? In output, you want to see the day of the week. Then where you have to write? Sir, 1 second. To see the day of the week, you write like this, na? What that is? Date, date part or date name, DW, comma, hide date. So this is the expression to get the day of the week. But where you have to write it? You have to write it in selecta, where class, depends on what. I want to see in the output, I want to see this. Then where you have to write it? In the output, I want to see the day of the week. In the output, if you want to see day of the week, you have to write it in select. You have to write it in what, sir? Select. Okay, na? You write it in select. If you write it in select, then it will show. If you don't write it, it will not show. Sir, okay, na? Then now what it will show? It will show what, sir? Every employee, what? Every employee, day of the week. First employee joined on Wednesday. Second employee joined on Friday. Next Sunday, like this. So suppose here, what I'm asking is, I want to see the employees joined on Sunday. Then I'm asking employees joined on Sunday. You have to see that. I'm asking employees joined on Sunday. So like what I'm asking is, in the output, I'm not asking to display day of the week. I'm asking to display the employees list who are joined on Sunday. Then here now you have to call this date name in what? In where condition? Sir, okay, na? Sir, here when condition, here your condition is based on day of the week, then write it in what, sir? Call this in where? Call this in where? In the output, you want to see the day of the week, then call it in select. Sir, understood, na? Then. So if you say selects are from EMP means it will show the employees data. I don't want all the data. I want particular employees data. Which employees data who are joined on Sunday? And then what? Where? What? Date name? DW. So what, sir? Hide date equal to what? Sunday. So this query will show the employee joined on Sunday. One employee joined on Sunday. But in this output, is it showing the day of the week? In the output, is it showing the day of the week? No. Why it is not showing day of the week? Because we are not selecting. Yes or no? What we are selecting, selects are from EMP. Selects are from EMP means you are selecting all the fields from EMP table. Sir, understood? In the output, it will not show the day of the week. If you want to see the day of the week in the output, then what? You have to write it here, boss. You have to write it in what? Select. Understood? Then. I want output to be like this. Now tell me, how you write? Select. What is Smith? Smith is e-name. E-name plus e-name. So Smith is e-name. Alan is e-name. E-name should be concatenated with joined on. So then what's that? Joined on. Next, joined on should be concatenated with day of the week. Again plus. How to get the day of the week? Date name DW What, sir? I date. Then from what? From EMP. Now this will show each and every employee name joined on date. So let's see, execute this query. This query is showing like this. Smith joined on Wednesday. Alan joined on Friday. What joined on Sunday? So it is showing each and every employee. Understood? Then it is showing all. I don't want all. I want only particular employee. Then it is showing all the employees. No, I don't want all employees. I want particular employee. Then where condition? Particular employee. Then what? Where condition. Okay. Then. So that's how. This is like how to use date name. Next one. So what the next one is? So one function is there. What that function is? Date at. Date at. Date at. Then what this function is used? Use it to add what? Use it to add or subtract days, months, years to a date or from a date. Use it to add, subtract days, months, years to a date from a date. Use it to add, subtract days, months, years to a date. What this is? Like using this function, you can add days, add years, add months like this. Date add. First one is interval, integer, date. This takes how many arguments? 3 arguments. Date add, interval, integer, date. Oh. But this is for adding or subtracting. Like example, select what? Data. Date add. Suppose DD, comma, 10, comma, get date. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? Date add DD 10, comma, get date. What is the meaning? To the get date, 10 is added. 10 is months, years, days. You said DD, na? DD means days. 10 days are added. After adding 10 days, what the date is? 18th April 2022, 04/18. Today is 8th, na? 8 plus 10. 10 days are added. After adding 10 days, what the date is? 18th April. Okay. Then. So you see that. I want to see this function output. I want to see the function output. If you want to see this function output, call it in select. Okay, na? You want to see this function output. To see this function output, call it in select. If you call it in select, then it will show. Then, so what is this output? What this is? Sorry, your system date is wrong, boss. Okay, na? System date is wrong. So system date is 7th April. So 10 days are added. After adding 10 days, what the date is? 17th April. Okay, na? Then. So now, for example, like I'll say MM2, then MM2, then MM2. Months are added. 2 months are added. 2 months. After adding 2 months, after adding 2 months, 2 months are added. After adding 2 months, what is the date? April, na? June, yes or no? 2022, 06, next one, 08. Okay, that. Next. Okay, then comma -2, -2, plus means added, minus means subtracted. So 2 months subtracted. After the subtracting 2 months, what the date is? 2022, 02, 08, Feb 8th. Okay, now that plus means added, minus means subtracted. You can also add years. You can also add what, sir? Years. YY. You want to add years. YY. 1 year is added. What is the date after adding 1 year? 2023, 04, 08. 1 year is added. DD means days are added. MM means months. YY means years. Sir, okay? Then. Now, suppose one question is like this. They're asking name, height, date, DOR. Show the name, height, date, DOR. What is DOR is date of what, sir? Date of retirement. Okay, now for government employees, retirement date is fixed. Yes or no? So DOR equals to date of retirement. Suppose I'm just taking what I'm taking is retirement date as height date plus just I'm taking some 40 years. Just example, not exactly like this, but just I'm taking example. Okay, na? So height date plus what, sir? 40 years. Just I'm taking example. Now tell me how to show the retirement date. So in table, height date is there, but the retirement date is not there. We have to calculate retirement date. This is the formula to calculate retirement date. Tell me how to write it. Select what's it? E name. Next one. Select E name. You see that here what is asking, according to that you write it. Okay, na? Like he's asking like this, you write according to this. What? Height date. Next is asking retirement date, DOR, but DOR is not there in table. Calculate. How to calculate? This is the formula. So what you have to do? To the height date, you have to add 40 years. How to add 40 years to the height date? Date add. If you want to add something to the date, you have to use date add. What do you want to add? Years. YY. How many years? 40 years. To which date? Height date. As DOR from EMP. That's all. So this query will show each and every employee's what's it? Retirement date. That's all. These functions are used for calculations. Date functions used for date calculations.
అవి వెరైటీ ఉన్నట్టున్నాయి కానీ అవి వేరే
Okay.
దానికి ఇప్పుడు కొత్తది ఇచ్చే కదా మళ్ళీ అది నేను వాడుకుంటాను.
Hello.
Now let's see this yet. Okay, na? So 1980, 40 years. Okay, 40 years. After adding 40 years.
తీయండి.
Sir, okay? Then.
ఇంకా ఎందుకు పెట్టుకున్నాం కదా.
That's all. This is just what how to what's that? Then. Now, like one question asked like this, they given a table. They given one table. What the table they given? One table is given. What the table? Gold rates. What this table contains? This table contains what, sir? Gold rates. This contains two fields. One is date ID. Another one, what, sir? Rate. Rate per gram. Okay, na? There is one table. This table contains two fields, date ID, rate. So in this table, they are storing gold rates, and they are storing gold rates from last 5 years onwards, not from today. What? Last 5 years. So suppose assume like they are storing since 2015 onwards, storing the gold rates. Because they started some gold business starting from 2015 onwards. So they are storing the gold rate starting from 2015 onwards. What is the first record here? In this table, what is the first record? 2015 January 1st. 2015 what's that? January 1st. What is the gold rate? What is the next record? 2000? Every, not 16 bars, like every day gold rate changes. Every day new record is inserted into this table. Every day gold rate changes. Every day new record is inserted into this table. What is the 2015 01 02 gold rate? 2015 01 03 gold rate. Like, so they are storing every day gold rate is stored in this table because every day gold rate changes. What is the last record? Today. What is this is 2022. Next one 0408 gold rate. So this is the table. So this table contains gold rates. This table is given. From this table, what they want is just see this. So they're asking display what, see this, today's gold rate. Okay, na? What they are asking, just see this first. Today's gold rate. They're asking display what, yesterday's gold rate, and display last month same day gold rate. Last month same day gold rate. So display last year same day gold rate. Last month same day means, last month same day means this is April 8th, no? Last month same day means March 8th. March 8th, what is the gold rate? 2022 March 8th, what is the gold rate? Last year same day means 2021 April 8th. Okay, na? 2021 April 8th, what is the gold rate? I want like this. Tell me, you have to write a queries for this. You have to write the queries to get this right. Tell me, sir, what? What is asking, you select. In the output, what do you want to see? What do you want to see in the output? Rate. Select rate. That's all. Okay, na? Is asking rate. Output, you have to display rate. Select rate. Select what? Rate. Select rate. From. What is the table name? Gold rates. But not all the days. Only one. Today's gold rate. But this table contains number of days. I don't want to show all the days. I want to show only today's. Then where what? Where? Pass. Here you see that. Where is the dates? Dates are there in date ID. So what do you have to date ID equal to today? Yes or no? Date ID equal to today. Get the today's record. So date ID equal to today. What is how to write today? Get date. That's all. Okay, na? So it will go to this table, find out date ID equal to today. So this is the date ID equal to today. So this is selected. But what is displayed in the output? What is displayed? This is selected, but what is displayed? Rate, because you are selecting only rate. Okay, na? Nah. Unmute just set la. నేను చేసేసాను. Okay then. So display yesterday's what? Goal rate. Then display yesterday's goal rate. Same thing. Then what? Date? Yesterday, boss. How to get yesterday's date? You have to give yesterday's date here. Yes or no? Then how to get the yesterday's date? Date at DD -1 get date. 1 day is subtracted. After subtracting 1 day, what you will get? Yesterday's. Date ID equal to yesterday.
నేను ఇక్కడ కూర్చుంటా, మీరు ఇద్దరు వచ్చి ఆమె పెట్టుకొని పోవాలి. ఓకేనా? దగ్గరకు వచ్చి ఆమె పెట్టుకొని పో, చెల్లి వచ్చి కూడా పెట్టుకుంటది.
Then
చెల్లి వస్తుంది.
What's it? Next, last month same day. Last month same day. From the table, find out the record date ID equal to last month same day. How to get last month same day? Date at -1 get date. Last month same day. 1 month is subtracted. Okay, na? Last year same day. Then now logic is same here. Only what we have to change? Only instead of month, what? Y1 year. So you'll get last year same day. 1 year is subtracted. Okay, na? Last year February, this one. Okay, na? Then minus 2 months. Then you have to give the date here. When you know the date, then you pass the date. 2021 Feb. Sir, okay, na? That. Sir, suppose I'll ask like something what display last 1 month goal rates. Then last 1 month. I want to see last 1 month gold rates. So today's one. Today's 8th April. Na? Last 1 month means starting from March 8th. Starting from March 8th, I want to see the gold rates up to today. Then first understood the question. Na? Last 1 month gold rates means starting from March 8th. Starting from March 8th, select gold rates up to today. Then what? Select what's it? Rate. Select okay, star. Because I want date ID plus rate. From from what? Gold rates. Next, where? Then where? Date ID. Date ID what? Last 1 month. Starting from March 8th to today. Then like what? Sir, here 2022 0 what? 2022 04 03 na 03082 2022 0408. Yes. Then you have to use between operator. You have to use what, sir? Date ID between. Date ID between. So start date, next year, start end end. So where you want to start from? Start from March 2022 March 8th. That means 1 month back up to today. Up to today. 1 month back. Start from 1 month back and up to today. Select up to today. Then how to write 1 month back here? What bus? Date. Date at -1 get date. This is 1 month back. Starting from 1 month back and up to today. Then end what, sir? Today. End date is today, na? You want to select up to today. Then get date. Then what is there in this? So what this gives? What this gives? 1 month. Okay, na? Between start and end. Where you want to start from? I want to start from 1 month back and select up to today. Today means get date. This returns March 8th. This returns April 8th. Yes or no? Starting from March 8th to April 8th, all the records are selected or not? Yes. All gold rates are selected. Yes or no? Okay, na? Then that's all. So all these are what, sir? All these are like date add. Okay, then so like banks, they want to check last 1 month transactions of particular customer. They want to check last 1 month transactions of particular customer. Then this is useful. They want to verify last 1 month transactions. How to verify the last 1 month transactions? First you have to write a query, get the data, then verify. Yes or no? How to get last 1 month means you have to write this, you have to use this logic. Okay, then what the next one is? Date diff. What the next one? Date 1 month, 1 month 15 days. Here you have to like this 45. Yes. Okay, no? 45 days. Then date diff. Date diff. Date diff. What is date diff is? Like this function used to calculate what's that? Difference between what? Two dates. Calculate the difference between two dates. Date diff. Date add, date diff. You want to add, date add. You want to find the difference, date diff. Okay, then. So difference between two dates. So what? First one is interval. Next one, date one, date two. So you're passing two dates and the difference is calculated. Difference between two dates is calculated, but difference is calculated in what? Difference is calculated in years, months, days, based on interval. Based on interval. If given interval is YY, so difference is calculated in years. If this interval is MM, so difference is calculated in months. Okay. Then suppose, for example, I like something like this. What is that is? Select date diff. Then YY. So date one is start date. This is end date. What this is? Start date. This is what's that? End date. Start date is, say, for example, start date is today. End date is 2023-0408. Start date is today. End date is next year, 2023-0408. I want to find the difference between these two dates, but calculate the difference in what's that? Years. How many years difference? 1 year, boss. Huh? How many years difference? 1 year, no? So 2022. This is 2023. How many years difference? 1 year difference. So difference is calculated in years. Suppose, for example, if I give like this mm, if I give difference is calculated in months. How many months difference? 12 months difference. Okay, na? Yes or no? Means months. It calculates the difference in months. Suppose I'll say DD, then calculate the difference in days. How many days difference? 365 days. If you pass YY, difference is calculated in years. If you pass MM, difference is calculated in months. DD means days. Sir, okay, na? No. Now let's see. So let's see. What is the difference? 1 year difference. Why? 1 year difference. I'll say MM, then MM. What? Months difference. How many months difference? 12 months difference. DD. How many days difference? 366. Maybe 2 days also included. Okay, na? 366. So difference. Understood? Clear now? Then. So how it is useful? How this is useful? Any example, practical example, when we calculate difference between two dates? You want to calculate age of the person. Database contains date of birth. What is database contains? Date of birth. In database, date of birth is there, but they're asking to calculate age. How the age is calculated? Age is difference between two dates. What are the two dates? Today and date of birth. Yes or no? Okay, na? Age is calculated difference between two dates. Today's date and date of birth. So similarly, EMP table contains what? Height date. But they're not asking height date. They're asking what's the experience. Okay, na? Actual table contains height date, but they don't want height date. They want to experience of the employee. Employee working since how many years? Experience in years. Then tell me how to calculate the experience. Experience is also difference between two dates or not? Yes. What that is? Today and height date. Sir, okay na? How to write? Select what? E name, comma. Select E name. Next. Experience. Then what is height date, boss? Is not asking to display height date, is asking to display experience. Then what? Date diff. What? Date diff. Experience, that's what I'm saying. What is experience? Is experience is difference between two dates. Now you have to use a function, date diff function. You want difference in what? Years. Then what do you have to say? YY. Yes. Then next, start date and end date. What is the start date? What is the start date? Height date. Start date is height date. What is the end date? Today. What is the today? Get date. That's all. As what? Experience from EMP. That's all. Experience will be 0. Zero support చేయదా? Zero అంటే meaning zero వస్తుంది. If he joins in same year, output is 0. So what is this gives? This gives each and every employee's what's that? Experience. Experience is calculated in years. Why? Because you said what? YY. Okay, na? Then now run this query. So Smith is working since 42 years. He joined in 1980. 2022. What is this is? 42 years. So 41, 41, 41, 41, 40 like this. Okay. Clear? So what it is showing? It is showing experience in what's that? Years. Here actually see, you have to, what you have to date dip. What is date dip function? What is the purpose of date dip? Use it to calculate what's the difference between two dates. How to use this function? That is important. This function takes what? It takes interval, start date, next one, end date. Okay, na? According to that, you have to pass. Okay, then. So now, suppose one was asking like this. What is asking is E name and what? Experience. But what is asking is asking experience in this format. What is M years, N months? You know what is M years, N months? Is asking experience in this format. M years, N months. Once again, listen. Experience is equal to 40 months, not years. Experience is not 40 years, 40 months, 40 months. So I want to show 40 months like this, 3 years, 4 months. Yes or no? 40 months equal to what, boss? 3 years, 4 months. 3 years means 36. 36 plus 4, 40. I want to show like this. Sir, okay na? How? Sir, clear? So this one is showing what, sir? Only years, but I want to show like this. M years, N months. How many years, how many months employee working? Okay. Then once again, see, just listen this. Assume experience equal to what? 40 months. Just I'm taking example to explain. I'm taking example 40 months. So remember, to show the experience in this format, first calculate the experience in what? Months. If you calculate the experience in months, then we can display in this format. Don't calculate experience in what? Years. Calculate experience in months. If you calculate experience in months, so we can display in this format. Understood? First calculate experience in months. After calculating experience in months, what the experience is? 40 months. Next, what do you want? I want what, sir? Years. How to calculate years? How to calculate years? Months by 12. Months by 12. 40 by 12. What is this is? 3 point something. You will take only integer part. 3 point something. You take only integer part. What is the integer part? 3. 40 by 12 bars. 3 point something na. You take only integer part. Integer part is 3. Next, how to calculate remaining months? How to calculate the remaining? What is the formula for calculating remaining months? So you got the years 3. I want to get the remaining months. How many remaining months? 4 months. Then how to calculate this 4 months? What is the formula is? Months modulus 12. This is, you know now, this operator. What is this operator returns? Reminder. Months modulus 12. Okay na? 40 divided with 12. So dividing 40 with 12, take the remainder. After dividing 40 with 12, what is the remainder? 4. That's all. This is the formula to calculate years. This is the formula to calculate months. Sir, okay na? Understood? This is, I'm taking example. To explain this, I taken this example. For first of all, what you have to do? First, you have to calculate. First, you have to calculate experience in months. Divide with 12, you'll get what, sir? Years. Divide with 12, take the remainder, we'll get months. So tell me how to write the query. Select what? E name, then comma. Select e name, comma. Is asking experience in this format. First, I want years. How to get years? I want years first, then date, div, here it is there now, months by 12. Then date diff, comma, start date and end date. What is this? This gives what, sir? Experience in months. Divide with what, sir? Divide with 12. Divide with 12. As what? Years. As years. Comma. Next months. How to get the months? Months divided with 12. Take the remainder. Then date diff. Then comma, hide date. Next one, get date, percentage mod 12 as months from EMP. That's all. Dates plays important role in banking applications. Dates are very most important in banking, because in banking almost all calculations are based on what's that? Dates only. Interest amount is calculated based on dates. Everything calculations based on what? Dates only. So dates are most important in banking. Sir, okay now? Sir, earlier, what is the Smith experience? You remember? 42. 42. Now let's see. Then 41. Smith experience is what? 41 years, 4 months. That means 42 is wrong or not? Then which is giving accurate output? Which is giving correct output? This one or previous one? This is giving the correct output. So that is what, sir? 41 4 months is rounded to 41 4 months is rounded to 42 years. So it is rounding to 42 years. But here it is giving correct output 41 4 months. You check whether it is correct or not. 41 4 months. So Smith joined in 17th December 80. Smith joined in what, sir? 17th December 1980. Up to 17th December, like 17th December 2020. How many years? 40 years. 40 years. Next one, 17th December 2021. Next, how many years? 1 year. That means total how many years? 41 years. So next, like after 17th December 2020, 17th January 2022, then 1 month. 1 month. Next one, 17th what? Feb 2022. Then 2 months. Next one, 17th what? Feb 2022. Sorry. What is this is? March 2020. So what this is? Third month. Now this is April, no? But 17th is not there, but April month is counted or not? Yes. So what is this is? Fourth month. So then what is this is? 41 years. How many months, sir? 4 months. Correct or not? Yes. Okay. Then. So this is like how it is useful. Date diff. How date diff is useful. Okay. Then. Sir, okay na? Understood? Then. Okay. Next. That's all. These functions are what, sir? These functions are date functions. Okay na? What the next one is? Next one is what, sir? String functions. Okay. So in string functions, one function is what? Upper. Converts string to what? Uppercase. The string will be converted to uppercase. Upper function converts string to uppercase. Upper of what? What we have to pass? We have to pass what's it? String. You have to pass string, or you can pass column name. What is this function? String will be converted to uppercase. You know uppercase, na? What? Select upper of, suppose hello. Then the string hello is converted into capitals. What is the output? Hello. Okay, na? Output is hello. String converted into capitals. Similarly, there is a call what? Lower. What this is? Converts what? String to lowercase. Upper function converts string to uppercase. This is uppercase. Lower function converts string to lowercase. String. Here also you can pass column. Here what? Select what's it? Lower. Lower of what? Hello. Lower of hello. And then string hello is converted to lowercase. What is the output? Hello only, but hello is displayed in lowercase. So this one. So this is uppercase, this is lowercase. Upper function converts string to uppercase, lower function converts string to lowercase. Huh? It depends on how you use it. Like, see, suppose here, you see that, you see the table, employee table. Okay, na? See the employee table. In employee table, how the names are there? You see the table in employee table, how the names are there? Names are in uppercase. What user is asking? User is asking to display number, name, salary. But is asking to display names in what's that? Lowercase. Actual table contains uppercase, but user is asking to display the names in lowercase. And then how to write a query for this? Select what? EMP NO. EMP NO. Next. E-name. E-name. Salary from EMP. Yeah? What you are doing? Nothing. You are not doing anything. Then it will show as it is. What, boss? What is asking? Convert names to lowercase. You are not converting. You are showing as it is, na? Yes or no? You are showing as it is. Then what you are doing? You are not doing anything. Then you have to convert names to lowercase. How? Apply lower function, boss. Apply lower. Lower of what? E-name. Lower of E-name. So now in this previous example, lower function is applied on what? Hello. Hello is converted to lowercase. Now lower is applied on what? E-name. Every name is converted to lowercase. E-name is a what? Column name, no? E-name is a column name. What is this column contains? Values. All the values are converted to lowercase. So first it go to the Smith. Convert the Smith to lowercase. Next it go to Allen. Convert Allen to lowercase. So every name is converted to lowercase. So then what is the output? So this will show the names in what? Lowercase. I don't want to show no column name. Then It is showing no column name, na? I don't want to show no column name. Then as, whenever you want to change the heading as e name. So then see that. So in actual table names are in actual table names are in uppercase, but in this query output, we are displaying the names in lowercase. So you want to convert names to uppercase, lowercase, no need to write any program. There is a predefined function, directly call it. Okay, then. Names converted to lowercase are only in the select statement output in table. In table also converted to lowercase. Names are converted to lowercase in table only in the select statement output. Only in the select statement output. So because you are calling this in select statement, only in this output names converted to lowercase. But in original table, what's that? Uppercase only as it is. So you see the original table, select star from MP. Okay, na? Then only in this query output names are converted to. Okay, na? Only in this query output names converted to lowercase, but original table remains same. Okay, na? Then, but what user is asking, convert names to lowercase in table. In table, I want to convert, not in the select statement output. So in only in output, if you want to convert, this is the query. But he's asking not in the output, in table. Then in table, I want to convert names to uppercase, lowercase. So this is the table bus. In table, I want to convert. What? No? What is this? What is this is? Uppercase only. Okay. What is this is? Leave it uppercase or lowercase. What is this is? Data. E-name is column. What is that column contains? Data. You want to change the data. Then update command. You want to change the data. Command is update command. Okay, na? Sir, in table you want to do something, some operations on data. You want to change the data. So Smith, Ellen, this is data, na? You want to change this data. Then update. Then how to write? Update emp set ename equals to lower of ename. Every name is updated with lower of ename. Every name is updated with lower of ename. That's all. Every name is updated with lower of ename. No. So let's see this here. Execute this command. 14 rows affected. So it is updated in table. Yes or no? Just go and see the table. Then select star from EMP. See the table. Select star from EMP. So they are converted to lowercase in table. Yes or no? And this update is temporary or permanent? This update is temporary or permanent? Permanent. Permanent or temporary? Permanent. Tomorrow, if you come and see the table, the names will be uppercase or lowercase? Lowercase mode. Okay. Then. So that's all. This is what Upper and what's that? Lower. Okay, we'll see this in the next class.
Suppose we have one query which is repeated. Means one query is repeated one time, two times. So how to delete it? One query data. Suppose one line one duplicates. Duplicates. Yes. Actually, I got that problem. Subquery topics. Whatever counts you want. Sir, Elias. Results are at no say. అది కాకుండా మిగతా ఏదైతే కావాలో అది సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి. అది రాసుకోండి. This is the convention. Standard. Student को क्या names ideas start all things from this. Just days కావాలి ఫస్ట్ ఏంటి అంటే డేస్ లో క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ని ఫస్ట్ డేస్ లో క్యాలిక్యులేట్ నెక్స్ట్ డేస్ కావాలి సో డేస్ బై 365 మంత్స్ కావాలి ఏం చేస్తారు నెక్స్ట్ రిమైనింగ్ డేస్ కావాలి సో దిస్ డేస్ పర్సెంటేజ్ 365 రిమైనింగ్ డేస్ ఇక్కడ ఒక ఇంటీజర్ వాల్యూ పాస్ చేయాలి same data. Between operator just have to take one and take value one and value two. Between operator syntax. Now syntax will follow. Today work. Today work. ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని రేట్స్ వస్తాయి ఇక్కడ ఎవ్రీ క్వరీ ఒక రేట్ వస్తాయి ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని వస్తాయి 30 రోజులు వస్తాయి బట్ ఏ రోజు ఏంటి అనేది కావాలి కదా అందుకని డేటా ఏదైనా సంథింగ్ ఒక కాలం మీద చేస్తున్నామంటే ఆ కాలం డేటా మీ డేటా చేయొచ్చు బట్ సింటాక్స్ వల్ల బాగా anything what first you have to get the output. If you can able to get the output by writing a line, which you can.
These are like which same, sir? In operator
Not same. They are different. Like this per pattern, this per list. Capital table is not there first. Table is not there. First create the table. Before creating the table, how can you execute insert command? So first create the table. అదే ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయడానికి ఆ టేబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేయడం కమాండ్ దీన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేయడం కూడా